Hi there and welcome to Tipsy's Treats. Today we're going to be making a tuna pasta bake. Now this is quick and easy and we make it with ingredients you've probably already got in the house, so even better. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to look out for more videos coming soon. Okay, to start with, boil some water and then add that to the pan and then pop the pasta in there to get that going. Chop one red onion. Now we're going to make the cheese sauce, so put some butter into a pan and get the onions on. Add some flour to the pan and 300 millilitres of milk, but gradually add this, not all at once. Add it in and gradually stir it in. Keep adding. If the flour gets a bit lumpy, just add some more. Using a whisk here, it's slightly easier. While that's going on, grate some cheese. Now we want it quite cheesy, so as much as you like. Drain the pasta and add that to a baking dish. And then cover that with the cheese sauce. I'm using just bog standard tuna chunks in water. Drain the water and then add that with some frozen peas. It's up to you how many you use. Add some salt and pepper. I normally grate some more cheese on top and mix everything in. As I say, I love a bit of cheese, so the final touch is just grated cheese on top to give it extra flavour. Pop this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here we go, ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Now that was comfort food at its best. Tuna pasta bake is certainly a family favourite here. If you make too much, you can either freeze it or heat it up the next day for lunch. So a good option both ways. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to look out for more videos coming soon.